Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this Queen of Heart theme in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, the first one, you can choose these two hairstyles and you're going to color it with this color. This black color. Wait, I'm going to show you the color code. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room. And I'm going to put on some items from the codes item. Okay, I'm going to select the Sabrina Carpenter dress, and for the first preview, I'm going to color it with this maroon color. This is for the color code, and for the next one, I'm going to apply this pattern. And then I'm going to choose I'm going to choose the skirt and color it with the same maroon color. Okay, and then I'm going to choose, oops, sorry, not this one. I'm going to choose this crown. And I'm going to color it this maroon for the second selection. Okay, and I'm going to put on eyelash. I'm going to select, let's try this one. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one, guys. And then I'm going to remove this necklace. I'm not gonna wear that. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area and choose the skirt, and I'm going to make it red. Okay, and I'm going to choose this one as well and make it red. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this gloves, and I'm going to remove the fur and apply the same pattern. Okay, and I'm going to I'm going to put on this item right here, this one, and I'm going to color it with this color for the, oops, not this one. I'm going to apply this pattern first, and for the next one, I'm going to apply this pattern, this maroon color, and this pattern for the ribbon. Okay, and then I'm going to add necklace. I'm just going to choose this necklace, and I'm going to color it with maroon color for the second preview. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to this area, and I'm going to put on this sleeves and also this one. Okay, and let me color it with this maroon color. Okay. Alright, and then I'm going to go back to the dressing room, and I'm going to choose the skirt from the codes item. Sorry, I forgot to choose this one, and again I'm going to color it with this maroon color for all of the selections. Okay, then I'm going to put on this ribbon, color it with this color. Okay, guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.